When it comes to earning rewards on your everyday spending, one of the most common questions people have is, what's the difference between points, miles, and cashback? On the surface, they all sound like free perks you get for using your credit card or joining a loyalty program. But in reality, they work differently, they carry different values, and they serve different purposes depending on your lifestyle and financial goals. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at how points, miles, and cashback rewards differ, how you can redeem them, what they're worth, and which type of reward might be the best fit for you. Let's start with points. Points are one of the most flexible types of rewards you can earn. When you use a credit card that offers points, you typically earn them based on how much you spend. For example, you might get 1 point for every dollar spent, or extra points on categories like dining, groceries, or travel. The catch with points is that the value of each point depends on how you redeem it. Some people use their points for merchandise, like electronics or home goods, through their card's rewards portal. Others redeem points for gift cards, statement credits, or travel bookings. But here's where the real difference shows up. The value of a point can vary. Most points are worth somewhere between half a cent to 2 cents per point. That means if you have 10,000 points, they might be worth only $50 if redeemed for merchandise, but closer to $200 if redeemed for a premium travel booking. The best use of points is often for travel. Many credit cards partner with airlines and hotels, allowing you to transfer your points directly into those loyalty programs. This can unlock much higher value. For example, instead of paying $1,000 for a business class flight, you might only need 70,000 points, which makes each point worth more than a cent. This flexibility is why many people love points, especially if they enjoy traveling or want options beyond just cashback. Now let's talk about miles. Miles are a type of reward specifically designed for travel, and they're most commonly tied to airlines or airline-branded credit cards. Like points, you earn miles based on your spending, but they're usually best redeemed for flights. When you collect airline miles, you can use them for free or discounted flights, seat upgrades, or sometimes for partner services like hotel stays or car rentals. The value of miles also varies depending on how you redeem them. On average, a mile is worth about 1 to 2 cents. But like points, the true value shows up when you use them strategically. A short domestic flight might cost you 20,000 miles, which could save you $200. But a long-haul international business class ticket could cost the same miles. Yet the cash price of that ticket might be $2,000 or $3,000. In that case, your miles are giving you incredible value. However, there's an important detail with miles. Unlike general points that you can use across different categories, miles are often tied to one airline's loyalty program. That means your redemption options can be more limited. You'll have to work within that airline's system and availability. Still, for frequent flyers, especially those who are loyal to a specific airline, miles can be one of the most rewarding currencies out there. Finally, let's cover cashback. Cashback is the most straightforward and simple type of reward. Instead of earning points or miles, you earn a percentage of your spending back in cash. For example, you might earn 1.5% cashback on every purchase, or you might have a card that gives you 3% cashback on groceries, 2% on gas, and 1% on everything else. The best part about cashback is that it's predictable. If you earn 1% cashback, that means you get 1 cent for every dollar you spend. $10,000 in spending equals $100 back in cash. There's no guessing, no fluctuating values, and no need to figure out the best redemption strategy. You can usually redeem cashback as a statement credit, direct deposit, or sometimes even a check. Cashback is ideal for people who want simplicity. You don't need to think about transfer partners, blackout dates, or maximizing travel rewards. It's money back in your pocket, and you can use it however you want. While cashback might not give you the outsized value that points and miles can in certain travel scenarios, it gives you guaranteed value every single time. So, how do you decide between points, miles, and cashback? The answer depends on your lifestyle and your goals. If you're someone who loves to travel, especially internationally, points and miles are often the better choice. They can unlock experiences like first-class flights or luxury hotel stays at a fraction of the cost. But you'll need to put in a little effort to learn the systems, understand transfer partners, and redeem your rewards strategically. On the other hand, if you're someone who values simplicity, cashback is the clear winner. It's consistent, it's flexible, and it can help you reduce your expenses without any hassle. There's no need to track fluctuating values or navigate complex loyalty programs. It's also worth noting that you don't have to choose just one. Many people use a combination strategy. For example, they might carry a travel rewards credit card to earn points for flights and hotels, and at the same time, they use a cashback card for everyday expenses like gas and groceries. This way, they get the best of both worlds. Let's do a quick recap. Points are flexible rewards that can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, merchandise, or even cash, with the highest value often coming from travel redemptions. Miles are travel-specific rewards, usually tied to airlines, and can be extremely valuable when used for flights and upgrades. Cashback is the most straightforward option, giving you a set percentage of your spending back in cash, with no complicated redemption process. Each type of reward has its strengths. Points give flexibility, miles maximize travel value, and cashback provides simplicity and guaranteed returns. The best choice comes down to your personal spending habits and whether you'd rather use your rewards for travel experiences or simply lower your everyday expenses. At the end of the day, points, miles, and cashback are all designed to reward you for your spending. The key is knowing how each one works, what they're worth, and which one aligns best with your lifestyle. With the right strategy, you can make your everyday purchases work harder for you, whether that means free travel adventures, luxury upgrades, or extra cash in your bank account. So the next time you're considering a new credit card or loyalty program, ask yourself this simple question. Do you want points for flexibility, miles for travel, or cashback for simplicity? The answer will help guide you toward the reward system that brings the most value to your life. That's the difference between points, miles, and cashback. And understanding these differences can help you make smarter financial choices and maximize the benefits of every dollar you spend.